Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the specialized app, cycling tools, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The specialized app is designed for cyclists, offering a suite of tools to enhance riding experience and bike management. It integrates ride tracking, performance metrics, bike diagnostics, and maintenance reminders. The app also connects with specialized e-bikes for real-time battery monitoring, firmware updates, and system tuning. Users can customize settings, view detailed ride histories, and access guided routes tailored to their skill level. In actual use, cyclists appreciate the app's clean interface, smooth Bluetooth connectivity, and deep integration with specialized hardware. The bike diagnostic feature is particularly valued for identifying maintenance needs early. Route planning and ride tracking are accurate, and syncing with fitness platforms adds convenience for riders who want to keep all their data in one place. However, the app isn't without its drawbacks. Some users report occasional connection drops with certain bike models, and advanced features are most useful only if you own a specialized e-bike. The app's route library, while functional, isn't as extensive as dedicated mapping apps. Additionally, updates can sometimes introduce minor bugs that require patches. In summary, the specialized app may be worth using if you ride a specialized bike, especially an e-bike, and want an integrated solution for tracking, diagnostics, and customization. It excels in hardware integration and rider-focused features, but its usefulness drops significantly for cyclists without specialized hardware or those needing advanced mapping tools. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.